Yes, guys, and that's what Trini life is about.
Trying new things.
Trying new things. I won't lie.
Locations.
We just pull up at this random spot. And watch me now. We was totally amazed. That curry duck, oh my god. At Sizzler Bar, we got some nice ham, some fried chicken, some curry duck,
And
and
Polari.
some pulori also, and some nice condiment. Where's the exact address to this? Is it Paria?
Yeah, no, this is Pinal.
It's Pinal. Side Village Pinal. On the way to Saparia. Check it out. Lovely. Can we test this? Nice ham. The car from so sad. Let's try some curry dog. Check out this curry dog.
What the texture is curry?
Check it out. Let me get this curry dog. I have to say, I won't lie. I have to say, this is one of the best curry duck I eaten in a long while.
Yeah.
I won't lie. At Sizzler's restaurant and bar. Cara boy.
Trying village. You know. The curry amazing.
Nah, this curry, what one tastes like Kevin boy. Like Kevin? Then let's taste it, taste it. Taste it. That curry the fun way. That curry the fun way. It's real nice. Real nice. And you know we always different. We like to eat pulori with curry sauce. Now what? Kevin, Sizzler's bar. I give you a big 10. I won't lie.
10 out of 10. Curry duck.
You see all your ham
1 point.
and all your duck? 1 point. 1 point. That ham and that duck, real nice.
Any Polari, Queen try the Polari.
In Village Pinal, and we come to try out the famous Charlie's pudding. Yeah, and you see inside the kitchen, they are about to fry the pudding going. We go and take a look inside the spot how the process is with the secret ingredients.
I think they have a special oil, you know, I'm not sure. They have a special oil? Same oil? So all the pudding is so good. All the pudding is so good, it's the same oil.
You don't fry the pudding.
You don't fry the pudding?
No, we just heat it up and you heat the water and you put a little salt in it and they will not come nice.
Alright, we watch it.
Yeah.
So we up Central, we just fried our pudding with excessive oil.
Yeah.
But down in Stein Village Pinal, they boil it with a little bit of salt, right? And this is just as good effect. I don't know, we'll see. We shall not, it's okay to sell out all the secret? Next thing, everybody doing this now, you know?
Get a little boiling process and then we'll put the pudding into the water.
Also, is the raw pudding not the first?
Yeah, that's how they heat it up. That's how
No, it's not raw, it's pre-cooked. It's pre-cooked, yeah. Wow. Awesome. So no frying up. How long we have to wait?
well, just wait for it to like a little boil and then you'll
And that's it, we good to go? So we may boil that for about 5 minutes?
yeah.
Check that out now.
Oh!
How much I got that, Kevin? Check out perfect that pudding looking now. Remember your pudding look?
Almost like this.
Your pudding looks blue up. So we are customary pudding with our oil, but these people say you don't need oil, right, Kevin?
Yeah.
You don't need it.
Healthy alternative.
Healthy alternative to pudding.
I don't know if it might taste better.
Time will tell. That pudding is so perfectly shaped, eh? Another top seller, roast pork. Looking totally awesome. that pudding and roast pork combo, Kevin. What is it? Look at awesome. Beautiful. Let me check it out. Come on. Alright, pudding soft. I don't like it. I had a sort of opinion often, Kevin. Kevin, you put like butter. I want I like butter. Can we check out this? Roast pork. Roast pork? I have to say, right? Side spinal. I think I eat the best duck. And I eat the best pudding I've ever tasted in my life.
And you know, we know tasting why you don't need it.
Honestly. I'm gonna lie. So right now we in where?
Baby,
DB, and what is your name?
Marin,
So what you known as?
fine choma.
The Pie Chow man, check it out, check it out. Open up black container, number, check it out.
10, 15 or 20?
Very nice. That's what we're talking about. So once you buy your pineapple chow, you must drain out some sauce, right? You must get them some sauce. You ain't get them no pineapple juice, right? That's what we're talking about. So guys, everybody, best chow in DB, right? What you buy? What you call this bar? Iani Barbecue in DB. Check it out. No normal chow, you know. They getting seasoning, they getting salt, pepper, slight pepper, and even special sauce with pineapple juice in it. Check out that chow now. I don't realize we getting rubbed down by every side, right? Guys, and Naren also is known down this side for the best fresh juices. This one in the back is what? Pineapple what?
Orange pine.
Orange pine. I hear that is the hit down this side. Check it out.
Grapefruit.
And grapefruit. So that'll be.
Sorrel again, anything else? I switch it up now. Sorrel, grapefruit, orange pine, pink grapefruit, everything.
We got try the orange pine today.
Portugal. Let's take a hand on something.
Very nice. Thank you, Darren. Yes, guys, so we buy Naren at Iani Barbecue. Now we're gonna check out this best pineapple chow. Check it out. Never. Oh, you're different on this side, but they're very different on this side. Try juice, Kevin.
We have some orange pine juice, freshly made. Yeah, buddy.
Nah, we're like, are they really different on this side? Let's chow on point. Yeah, but how much? Go ahead. You sure? Check what the man. Trini, I will get free chow. I don't know about you, but I get it.
Alright, Alia, so
Why not?
A big plastic bag.
so we
What you mean? I take him out and leave it.
Alia, we reached by the contest winner, Cindy Nora. Alia, this is her.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This is the only
Congratulations.
bag we got. I love you. And she also give us some
we getting gifts,
grapefruit and
from
lime.
Shape Homemade Garden.
Very nice.
We love it.
Thank you. I'm so happy for this.
Right? So, Alia, we buy Cindy. Train Life every day. We out.
Yes, guys, on behalf of Trini Life Videos, I thank Debian and Munilal on Facebook.
Two of our loyal supporters.
Very loyal supporters. They want this very, very nice shopper. Trini Life happy to give away this stuff.
We have a Train Life every day again. We just want to say thank you for all the loyal support. And this is a next gift. Chinese walk.
Hope you guys enjoy and some little WhatsApp footage. We tell them making a little pepper pork. I don't know what you gonna make. What you gonna make, Debian?
Pepper pork.
A little pepper pork, eh? Yeah, that is it, that is it.
I like
Make-
pork. So pork has to go in this.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, chop the man.
Until next time, Trini Life videos, like and
Subscribe.
now we talk about. Yeah, Mama, taste this. This come from quite DB. Check it. Some of the best pork and pudding we ever taste. So what do you think, Mama? I must bring back pizza, Mama. This is until we. Taste that pudding. That pudding tastes so different, eh?
Very tasty and nice.
It yet tasted yet. How it is then?
Tasty and nice.
It is the pork?
Yeah.
But you like the pudding?
Very good. Jangan sama peta.
Nice and pepper, real nice. Check it out. Yes guys, and that was the end of Trini Life with videos.
Road trip edition.
We are DB.
And we just come to visit this beautiful park.
Check it out. Until next time.